Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I just want to do a quick unboxing and review of this Intex Deluxe pool skimmer. So I have an Intex above ground pool. Mine's approximately, it's 16.5 by 9 feet wide and 4 feet deep. And it does get a lot of debris in it during the year, and I do have a pool vacuum, but I think if I had this on there, I'd get less debris. I would just be able to empty out this basket and be easier to clean. And I saw it this was on Amazon for 15 bucks. They're usually more than that. I think they're usually between $20 and $30. So I'd been thinking about it when I saw the cheap price. I went ahead and jumped on it. So let's unbox it here, see what comes in the package. Looking at the photos on it, it looks like it would fit, any of their pool styles, even this big kind of inflatable one. It looks like it'll clip on there. Here's how it comes packaged. Not a whole lot of plastic wrap or anything like that. Got some pipe fittings here. The actual bucket. Looks like it's got a nice little handle. You pull it out, empty it out. You're back in business. So here's all the pieces. Looks like we got some instructions. So let me go ahead, get this assembled, and then I'll put it on my pool, try it out for a few days, and let you guys know how it goes. So I got it assembled. There's basically two different hooks. This is the hook if you have a metal frame pool. Then you'll also have these pieces that fit together. So if you have like the inflatable style pool, this will fit on there pretty easily. Just insert that into there. Otherwise, you just go to your strainer and you take off this cap, you screw this on, you connect the hose to it, and then you set this up. It tells you how high above the water it wants it and the instructions here. The floating cover should be floating off the skimmer by about an inch. 1 to 5 inches it says, which that seems like a pretty big range. But let's go put it in the pool and let's see how it goes. Skimmer here, basically it attaches on the side, you can see here. Then you hook the hose to your filter to the bottom. And it's working pretty good. You gotta kind of get the right angle on it, but you can see it's collecting a good amount of dirt there and debris from the top. Works a lot better if you buy the little filter screens that you can put on top of the basket screens, I guess you would call them. And then it also works a lot better if you put a plug on this other inlet valve that you see here on the pool. But I've used it for about a season. It's definitely not a perfect solution, but I think it's cost $15 to $20 on Amazon. I'll put a link to one below. It does keep a lot of stuff off the top of your pool. The other option for a pool like this would be to buy one of the robot skimmers. They cost around $200. They float on the surface. But it does work a lot better. It gets a lot more suction when you plug up the other filter. It comes with a plug if you plug up the other inlet side. Also works a lot better if you clean your filter regularly. You'll get a lot better suction going through your filter. I'm just using the Intex filter that came with my pool. I didn't get anything special. It's a very basic small filter. But I appreciate you guys watching. I'll put a link again to where you can buy one on Amazon. Got any questions, put them down below. If you enjoy this kind of content, I do a lot of Intex pool content, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you all next time.